So here we got a 2015 BMW 435i. I think it's a 3.0 V6 twin turbo. I'm just going to be changing out the front mount intercooler on it. He did some damage on it. I think he hit something on the highway, and you can see it there. It's all kinked up. So he bought an aftermarket one. So once I get this out, I'll compare, show you a little comparison of the two. Yeah, let's get started. So here's the old piece, the old intercooler. Yeah, that thing's pretty much toast. And this is the upgrade he got. This is from Active Auto Works. Definitely a lot nicer. See, a lot thicker as well. Definitely gonna do a better job cooling. Yeah, it wasn't too bad to take out. He had a couple clips that were kind of a pain in the ass, but a couple screws, and yeah, it's fairly easy. Yeah, let me show you underneath. So here's the charge pipe, and then you got these little clips here that you just pull down, pull away, and you pull down, and it'll release it. And you got it on both sides, and then right here you have a screw right there, and then on the other side as well. Yeah, pretty easy. Alright, got it all wrapped up. Nicely installed. Looks good with the black, can't tell. But silver intercoolers are cool too because it looks good. But I like the black. Blends in with the black car, so. Yeah, it was a pretty easy install. Alright, so next up is pickup from Lowe's. I got the Cobalt 24 volts 6.5 inch circular saw. I waited till this went on sale. It was normally like $130. It's on sale for $99. And I did have the Milwaukee saw, but I did get rid of that, and got a couple projects coming up, so I just picked this up, and I think it'll be good for the DIYer at home, you know. It does come with the 24 tooth blade and all that. It is brushless. You know, there's some specs on it. I was gonna get their XTR new model that they have out, but you know, for $99, definitely can't go wrong with this. Real test is when I use it. But let's open this up. I did have the guy at the store open it up just to make sure there was a blade in it. But I might get a higher tooth count blade eventually. Manual. It is tool only. Blade is installed already. Nice quick adjustments. like how it has a little Allen key built into it. That's nice. Throw a battery in this. This is only a 2.0. Stops fairly quick. The brake. It's nice. It's got the locking mechanisms for if they're left-handed or right-handed. Nice LED light under there. Yeah, not too bad.